Good day and welcome back to my channel. So we're still talking about simultaneous equation, and I just thought of solving a more complicated question. So we have a question on the screen. So the first equation says x minus y over 2 equals to 1, and second equation says x over 2 plus y over 3 equals to 2 number 5 over 6. So this is another simultaneous equation. And what we have to do first is to simplify the questions. Okay, so we have to simplify the two equations first before we continue. So I'm going to bring out equation 1. What I just want to do here is to eliminate the fraction. Okay, just to ensure that we don't have fraction in the equation. And to do that is very simple. What you just have to do, look at all the denominators. Okay, and think of a number they can all divide. For instance, in this question we have x minus y over 2 equals to 1. So the only denominator here is 2. So I should just think about a number 2 can divide, and the simplest number is 2. So I'm now going to use 2 to multiply all the terms. So I'm going to use 2 to multiply x. I will use 2 to multiply y over 2 and also 1. So that is going to give us 2x minus 2 times y over 2 equals to 2 times 1. Okay, so we are going to have 2, we divide 2 here. So we are going to have 2x minus y equals to 2. Okay, so that's equation 1. I'll bring out equation 2. Equation 2 is x over 2 plus y over 3 equals to 2 whole number 5 over 6. Okay, I'm going to convert this mixed fraction to an improper fraction. So to do that, we are going to have x over 2 plus y over 3 equals to 6 times 2, that will give us 12. 12 plus 5, that will give us 17 over 6. Okay, so now I'm going to do the same thing. But in this case, we have 2, 3, and 6. Let me just write there. We have 2, 3, and 6. So just look for a number that these three numbers will divide without any remainder. A number, each of these three numbers will divide without a remainder, and the number is obviously 6. 6 times x over 2 plus 6 times y over 3 equals to 6 times 17 over 6. So 6 here 1, 6 here 1, 3 here 1, 3 and 6, that will give us 2. 2 here 1, 2 and 6, that will give us 3. So we are going to have 3x plus 2y equals to 17. Okay, so that way we have simplified equation 1 and equation 2. So let's write out the two equations now. So we are still dealing with elimination method, and in this situation I would like to eliminate y. Okay, so like I've said before, so to eliminate y, you first ask yourself, so you ask yourself, what is the coefficient of y in equation 1? And that is just 1. Okay, and the coefficient of y in equation 2, that is 2. So I'm going to use 1 to multiply all the terms in equation 2. So I will use 2 to multiply all the terms in equation 1. So we are going to have 2 times 2x minus 2 times y equals to 2 times 2. So for equation 1, we have 2 times 2x equals to 2 times y equals to 2 times 2. And that is going to give us 4x minus 2y equals to 4. Okay, so for equation 2, we are multiplying all the times by 1. So that is still going to give us 3x plus 2y equals to 17. Okay, so this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So at this stage we said if the sign are the same, you subtract. And I'm only talking about the signs of the term you want to eliminate. For instance, we are trying to eliminate y in this question. So you look at the signs, okay, for equation 1 and 2. In equation 1, we have minus 2y, okay, while in equation 2, we have plus 2y. So we have different signs. Okay, like I said earlier, don't look at your x, because here you have plus 4x and plus 3x. Okay, but you are not trying to eliminate x, so come to y. Okay, we are dealing with y, so we have minus 2y plus 2y, so we have different signs, and the rule says if the signs are different, you add. So that is going to give us 4x plus 3x minus 2y, then this plus, okay, plus 2y equals to 4 plus 17. We're going to have 7x. So minus 2y plus 2y, that will give us 0. Okay, so we have 7x equals to 4 plus 17, that will give us 21. So if you divide both sides by 7, so x is going to give us 3. So the next thing we are going to do is to substitute this value into any of the equations. So I'm picking this equation 1, that says 2x minus y equals to 2. So we have 2 brackets 3 minus y equals to 2. So that is going to give us 6 minus y equals to 2. So we have 6 minus 2 equals to y. So y equals to 4. Okay, so y equals to 4. So let's cross check. I'm still going to make use of this. So I'm still going to make use of this to cross check the value of x and y. Okay, and at the end of the day, the left hand side should be equals to the right hand side. So we have 2 brackets 3 minus 4. It should give us 2. So we have 6 minus 4 equals to 2. So that's 2 equals to 2. So that is correct. So thank you very much for your time. If this video has been helpful in any way, please like, subscribe, share, and also comment. Thank you very much.